guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5 minutes past 8 and today is 4th of February 2021. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Astha Trade, and I'm chief mentor and founder of StockPro. So here I am with my latest research and some more stocks and some of my view about Nifty. So let's start, right? And see here what I have done. I have taken Nifty's daily time frame and have tried to connect as many points as I can through the trend line, right? And I have tried to extrapolate it from the lower levels as well and from the top points as well. So what I can see from here, Nifty's February month's target is 15,200, right? That's what it looks like. So the people who are shorting, it's just simply trapping them. Nifty is just trapping them. Always remember, I've been always saying this all this while, because of my experience, because of my understanding of the market of many years, that if metal and banking sector are strong, Nifty will not come down, no matter what anybody thinks, right? It is not going to come back. And the way you can have a look at Bajaj Finserv, let me just show you what's happening in the stock market as a whole. So have a look at it. Uh, of course, the tire sector, but then have a look at 𝐶𝐈𝐕𝐄, SBI, PNB, Bajaj Finance, right? Entire financial sector is very, very positive. And tomorrow, I feel it's going to be a day of metal sector. JSW Steel is here, right? And IDFC Bank here, Kotak Bank here, M&M here, right? So when metal and bank Nifty is also so positive, if these two sectors, even VDL positive, Tata Steel is positive, JSW Steel is positive, Jindal Steel is positive, if metal sector is positive and the banking sector is positive, Nifty is not going to come down, right? So I have some facts to back what I'm saying. My target right now looks for the month of February is 15,200. So I'm going to take you to the option chain, and the option chain is of Nifty, and that to be the end of this month, which is 25th of February. Just have a look at it, right? This is 15,200, and this is you can see the highest number of contracts have been written here, whereas 15,100 and 15,150, the contracts have been unwinded today, right? The volumes that have the change in OI is actually negative out here, right? See this strike price, which is 15,100 and 15,150. So both these have, unwinding happening at these two places. So clear indication that market is very, very bullish right now, at least for the next couple of days or next week. Like market looks pretty much positive. But if I have a look at it, the international markets are not that very positive. But still, what my data is telling, what my visuals are telling, are basically showing me a very positive picture as of now for Nifty. So and of course the sectors are also telling me that market looks pretty much positive to me. So I have some stocks on my radar for tomorrow and for few days. The first stock that I have on my radar is Cyient, right? So have a look at Cyient. It's been just respecting this trend line, and it's been accumulating for a few days now. So tomorrow, if or the day after, whenever it goes above 680, you can go for a buy. Your stop loss will be 5%. Your target will be minimum 10%. 1:2 ratio you must maintain. So I'm definitely expecting a 10% return on this. So that means from 680 to 740 or 745 is what my target will be. And my stop loss is going to be 5%. The other stock that looks pretty fine to me as of now is Bajaj Finserv, right? Bajaj Finserv looks very good. So above this place, right above, if it breaks today's high, we definitely have this about 200 230 points target for sure. And if it crosses this, then we can expect 10,500. In fact, I made a video earlier also about Bajaj Finserv. It was looking extremely bullish to me. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is L&T, right? This is how L&T is. It gave a breakout. Now it's consolidated. Tomorrow, if market remains positive and goes above 1550, I find it pretty much positive. And then comes Tata Steel. Tata Steel has been range bound for the last 2 days, and I'm pretty much sure because market looks pretty bullish to me. I may be wrong. I'm not saying that take my words for as a holy grail, but I'm saying because certain data points are pointing in that direction. So above 665, we can go for a buy. Our stop loss could be 640. Our target could be at least 700 is what I'm expecting in a couple of days. If not, sorry, not couple of days, but at least by the end of February, I'm definitely expecting 700 as a target. Then I find Ultratech very good, right? So after the breakout has come, it has consolidated for yesterday and today. So if it breaks this high 6244, I'm expecting it to come at least till 6,500. Our stop loss is going to be about 6050, which is the low of these two candles. So the low of these two candles is going to be my stop loss. My target will be at least 6,500. And yeah, if it crosses that, then 6,600 and 6,700, those could be, it's in the uncharted territory. So anything, sky's the limit. There is no stopping over. Then on my radar is Titan, right? Titan is again looks like to be in a consolidation zone, right? And there could be a possibility that it may give a breakout, right? So I'm just expecting some kind of a breakout very, very soon, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, maybe definitely when it crosses this channel, we can definitely look for a breakout. So my entry will be in Titan, my entry will be somewhere around 1550, or maybe if I just want to enter a little early, then 1540 will be my entry. My stop loss will be somewhere around 1500, and my target will be double of that. So if I'm saying 1540, at least I'm expecting for my stop loss is 1540. My stop loss is about 1510. So my target will be at least another 60 points from here. So although there is a red candle in Titan, but still I'm finding it pretty interesting. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Then Tech Mahindra. Okay, I'm going to leave Tech Mahindra for this moment, but another very beautiful stock that I have on my radar is DMart, right? DMart, we have to buy right above today's candle, right? This high. We're going to buy it above 2977 or 2980, or our target could be 3135. And if it crosses 3135, then again it's going to be in the uncharted territory, right? So again, sky will be the limit. It can go anywhere. Our stop loss is going to be today's low, which is 2866. Our target will be for sure 2141. Then another beautiful stock on entire stock pro, like all the new members are also identifying this, is IRCTC. Right, I have given it long back for a buy. So again, my entry is going to be at this place now, 1540. Instead of this 30, I'm going to make it 1540. Right, I'm going to buy it above 1540. So that's going to be my entry now, and stop loss is going to be the same 1475, and targets are going to be till 1750. And one last stock on my radar, as I'm telling you, I'm pretty much bullish on banking sector and on the metal sector. So the last stock that I have on my radar is JSW Steel. So where do we buy JSW Steel? We actually have a beautiful entry above 405 in cash, right? Or in case somebody want to take a little bit early entry, then above today's high, which is 402, we can go for a buy, and definitely our targets could be 413. And in case 413 is crossed, then again we can expect for a move till about 426 or 28. Our stop loss is going to be today's low, which is 390, and our target is going to be 426 or so. So these are my stocks, and again my analysis on Nifty. and I'm expecting Nifty to remain bullish for the month of February. That's how it looks like, but let's see. The option chain is telling me unwinding at different places. So I mean, there is a very, very strong psychological barrier at 15,000, but if you see where the unwinding happening, it's happening at 15,100 and 15,150, right? So those are the places, you know, which are pretty much important. That means there is a fear in the market that the expiry may happen, you know, above 15,200, right? So that's the reason I'm expecting Nifty to remain bullish for the month of February, and the expiry could be expected about at around 15,300. If you see, the highest number of contracts that have been written today are at 15,300. So it looks so far bullish, but let's wait and watch. So quickly, my trades are Cyient, Bajaj Finserv, L&T, Tata Steel, Ultratech, Titan, Tech Mahindra left, DMart, IRCTC, and JSW Steel, right? These are my stocks for tomorrow and for few days. Keep them on radar. I'll post the stop loss and the targets and everything. Some on Twitter, some on my Telegram channel. So I hope you all are present on my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel with 2,72,455 subscribers as of now. And this is my Twitter handle where I keep posting my stocks. So see, I've posted on January 6th to buy Tata Motor DVR at 81.5, and it made a high of 131, and even beyond that, if I understand right. And any stock for that matter, you have a look at IIFL. I have given IIFL that has made from 130. It is now, I think, made a high of 203 or something. IIFL Finance. So look at this, it made a high of 212, right? My entry was here, and this is where it made a high. My entry was at this place, 130 to 212. Huge amount of return. This is what you do expect from StockPro. So take care. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video. All the best, and keep watching my videos and be present on my Telegram channel to make money. Today the stocks that I have given on my channel were only two stocks, right? Only two stocks in the live market. I gave JK Tire, and I gave JK Tire and Ibul Housing. So it gave almost like JK Ibul Housing gave full target, and JK Tire was in upper circuit, right? So we don't give many stocks, just two stocks in the live market. And look at it, I conducted a poll. I can vouch for it. Nobody will conduct a poll. I asked how many of you made money in Ibul Housing or JK Tire. 70 people voted, like where people are very conservative and they don't vote. 71 have voted that they made money, they traded and made money. So guys, with this I'm signing off. See you soon, and remain safe and be healthy. Take care of your family and take care of yourself, and keep making money and become financially independent. That's the agenda we have on our radar, to make everybody financially independent. Bye bye. See you soon.